So there's this cicada bug that just hatched out of its shell. It's cool. That is cool.
Mom, help me! Mom, help!
Hundreds of people have.
Mom! Help!
No, that's the last one. It hasn't updated.
Hold on. Can you push me? Can you push me? Can you? Can you? Mom, give me a push.
So everybody who's watching, it's a cicada bug, and it's gotten out of its exoskeleton. Now it's clinging onto it while its blood
Another push.
or juices circulate. And as soon as he's done, he'll fly away.
Basically, it's just pumping blood to its wings.
The colors on the wings keep changing. That's so cool.
Yeah.